as the situation in the border areas is concerned, we have had multiple meetings with the officials from the border security force. In fact, the IG of BSF, Mr. Upadhyay, has had a meeting at the highest level in the state. He's had multiple meetings with me in this office, and the additional DG of BSF, Mr. Agarwal, is also coming and meeting me on this coming Monday. We are very concerned about the security at the border, and I have made a tour myself towards Dalu side, and I'll be going to Shela very soon to assess the situation. And adequate force is there at the border from the BSF side as well as the state police. And as far as the situation today is concerned, there is no immediate threat from anywhere.
What about the
Government of India has not banned trading in the border areas. In fact, we are okay with opening the border huts, but it's from the Bangladesh side that they are not interested to open it. We are open and we are interested, and we have given a green signal also for the border huts to be open. But then for trading, you need two sides. The other side is still not ready yet. Therefore, the border huts are still closed.